When it comes to innovative genius, Hitachi made-in-Japan vacuum cleaners lead the way. Its unique electric linen beat head is embedded with a special plate. This beats the linen to pick up allergens hidden deep in fabrics, making it suitable for people who are sensitive to dust and useful when there are young children around. Hitachi's smart hose comes with an ultra-portable light but strong carbon fiber head with one-touch zoom pipe. A four-way suction ensures dust is easily caught all around. The motorized auto drive head, meanwhile, moves by itself when power is turned on, so dust is picked up effortlessly. What's more, with its multi-angle head, access to even seemingly difficult areas, narrow or low spaces, is a breeze. There is simply no strain, even as you reach the high spots. In one quick swivel, you can change the angle of the brush and move on to complete the next task. Clean exhaust is achieved through Hitachi's 2-boost cyclone technology, which prevents over 99% of suction dirt from escaping. Even disposing of dirt is ultra convenient. Washing is super easy too. Authentically Japan-made. Hitachi vacuum cleaners. Hitachi, inspire the next.